I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Adding a credit card to your Vodafone account is straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Vodafone website or open the app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to payment methods. Once logged in, look for the payment method section in your account dashboard. This is usually found under billing or account settings. Step 3. Add a new credit card. Click on the option to add new credit card. You will be prompted to enter your card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Step 4. Verify your information. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the shrc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Save changes. Once everything is verified, click on Save or Update to finalize adding your credit card to your account. You should receive a confirmation message shortly. If you follow these steps, you should have no trouble adding your credit card. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support. Happy managing!